Hey guys, it's Coach David with Trading Friends. Today is Tuesday, December the 16th. If you've been following me, not here because my YouTube channel has only been up like 2 months. But if you've been following me through Telegram, when I was on Telegram or Facebook or Instagram and all those things, we've always traded on Nadex. Nadex is gone for all intended purposes. The 20th, I believe, will be the last day. So if you have any money in Nadex, you need to get it out of there. If you have problems with that, contact them directly because I'm not affiliated with any brokers or exchanges. So now a lot of people are saying, what are we going to do? And what we're doing is we're going to use that same binary four-step process and we're going to apply it to a broker. And I've always said this, and some of my trading friends could only use a broker depending upon what country they were in. So they couldn't use Nadex. So for a lot of people, it's going to be an adjustment. If, it's kind of like cats and dogs, right? They're both four-legged, but one barks and one meows. That's the kind of thing. Nadex has built-in stop losses, and you can't make any more than when it tops out. On a broker, as you can see on my screen, you have to set your stop loss, you have to set your take profit, and you're going to be playing in between the ceiling and the floor. So I'm playing this like it's a Nadex ticket, and I can't lose more than $170. And if I leave my TP there, I can't make more than 300. But let's say this gets to 200, I can move my trailing stop loss down to where now I can't lose any money. I can only make 100. So there's all kinds of these different moves and why you should or you shouldn't play them. And I use a four-step binary process to enter my trades and exit my trades. And I use a four-phase system. And the system's pretty simple. The first phase is skill set. Do you have a skill set? Do you know 7 strategies? Do you know 3 strategies? Do you know how to play them? Have you recorded them? Can you maintain a 70% win rate? Can you not hit your drawdown max before that happens? All of those things. And if you don't know how to do that, then go over to the website, tradingfriends.org, and book your first free session, your Forex Journey Overview with Coach. And I'm actually doing one of those today in about an hour. And then at the end of that session, the lady that's taking that session will make a decision. Does she want to take another free course? Does she want to come into our Slack room where it's now free? It doesn't cost anything. And just watch other traders and read what they're doing and then ask questions. So you're going to get this live hands-on experience with me, and then you're going to get to see the results recorded over in Slack. So if this fits your mindset, or if you don't know if this fits your mindset, then book a free session. Don't open up any accounts. Don't spend any money. Let's get the hardest part. 85% or more of trading boils down to psychology, mindset. When do I get in? How long do I hold it? Because in its purest forms, everybody's trying to accomplish the same thing. The buyers are trying to win and the sellers are trying to win. Somebody's going to be a winner. Somebody's going to be a loser. And your experience level is going to tell you how to play that. So if you want to learn how to play this way, we have maintained for a decade a minimum 70% win rate, which means out of a group of 10 trades, you're going to win 7 out of 10. Then you take another group of 10 trades. And sometimes you win 10 out of 10. Sometimes you don't win but 2 out of 10. But it's over a given period of time. So say for 6 months, what's your 6-month record? And at the end of that 6-month record, could you have made $500 or would you have lost $500? Could you have made $10,000 or would you have lost $10,000? And how did that affect your psycho? Like, how did that affect you? So if you want to learn how to trade, come hang out with me. I'm not going to blow smoke up your tailpipe. I'm just going to basically tell you, yes, you can do this. No, you can't do this. Here's where you need to work. Let's work together. Let's create a trading plan. I will, as your coach, mentor, I will hold you accountable for it. And I'm here to help you. So it doesn't cost you anything unless you want to purchase a paid private session or purchase the course. To be part of the community is 100% free. If you have any questions, please let me know. My phone number, my email, all of my information is on the website. I hope to see you in the trading room real soon. Peace.